Question number 10. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 km between Mysore and Bangalore without taking into consideration the time they stop at intermediate stations. If the average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour, more than that of the passenger train, find the average speed of the two trains. Very easy question. Okay. Let me explain you what we are given in the question. My dear student, here in the question, we are given two trains. Which two types of train they are talking about in the question? Express train and the passenger train. One of them is express train and another is passenger train. Obvious, they have their own speed. So what should we do? We will consider one of the train speed as x kilometer per hour. So here I would like to assume for the express train. Okay. So I am solving we are starting the solution. So please see how to do. Let the speed of a express train be. Let the speed of the express train be. Express train be x kilometer per hour. This is the speed. Please note down speed of the express train be x kilometer per hour. And the speed of the passenger train. Now let's note down speed of a passenger train. Speed of a passenger train B. Okay. Now it is given in the last line, it is 11 kilometer more than that of a passenger train. It means it will be less than the main express train. Obvious, the speed of the passenger train will be less than the express train. Okay, express fast. Okay, this will be passenger. It is little bit slower than that x minus 11. Now, what is the total distance here? So let's note down total distance covered by express train. Total distance covered by express train. What is that? That is, we are given 132 kilometers. So how to find the time? So we know that time equal to distance upon speed. So we need to find time taken by express train. As we know, it is distance upon speed. What is the distance of a train? 132 kilometers. What is the speed? We assume the speed of express train is x kilometer per hour. So it will be 132 by x hours. Once again, I am explaining here. There in the question, according to that, two types of train are there. One of them is express train, another is passenger train. So dear student, we are considering the speed of an express train is x kilometer per hour. Of course, the passenger is slow. So it's a speed in the question we are given, it is 11 kilometer less than. Actually, we are given the express train is speed is 11 kilometer more than passenger train. So it will be less than the express train. Its a speed is slower than that. Now total distance covered by this express train, we are given 132 kilometers. This distance remain constant. Now we need to find time taken by express train. How to find? So it will be distance upon speed. So it will be 132 divided by x. Now if I ask you to find the time taken by passenger train now. So next step we need to write the sum is in continuation. Time taken by passenger train. Time taken by a passenger train. How to find? Again, it is distance upon speed. You know, distance is 132 kilometers. That is constant, and the speed of the passenger train is x minus 11 kilometer per hour. So here, this is the time taken by passenger train. Now in the first slide, we are given express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train. So equation will become 132 upon x minus 11 minus 132 upon x, that is equal to 1. What is the reason? Because we know this we have considered a criteria for passenger train. Passenger train takes more time than the express train. So the ratio of this is bigger than this. So we are subtracting this from this and the difference is coming 1 hour. Now it depends on us how to simplify. I'm taking out 132 common. So I should have 1 upon x minus 11 minus 1 upon x equal to 1. Therefore, here 132, let it be as it is. And let me take LCM. So here x minus, it will be multiplied with this. So it will be x minus 11. In the denominator x minus 11, that is equal to 1. So in the next step, this 132 in bracket x minus x, because of this minus outside we need to change the sign, so this will become plus 11, and in the denominator, whatever in the denominator, that will be multiplied here this side, so x into x minus 11, cross multiplication. Therefore the x minus x cancel. So this side the product will be 132 with 11 equal to. What about this side? X into x, x square minus x into 11, 11. So in the next step, let me multiply this. The product of this, whatever will come, that I need to bring it to right side, so it will become minus. So let's multiply and find the normal quadratic equation. So after multiplication of 132 with 11, we are gaining 1452. This I am transposing to right side, so it is giving minus 1452 equal to 0. Now here we will apply middle term splitting method. For that 1452, already it's the factors we got 132 multiplied by 11. Now again, if I ask you to have the factors of 132, if I divide it by 4, if I divide this by 4, then I should have here 33 fourths n into 11. That is 33 fourths 132, and this. So what I am going to do, I am making the factor this way. This is 33. 11 fourths 44. If I subtract 44 minus 33, then I will have this middle splitting term. Middle term, that is minus 11. So how to split minus 11 to bring minus 11? So minus 44 plus 33. Minus 44 plus 33. the simplification will be minus 11. So dear student, these two are the factors which we are making as a middle term. So we will have x square. In place of this, I need to mention minus 44x plus 33x minus 1452 equal to 0. Clear? Now, from first two terms, I need to take out something common, and from these two terms, therefore, x is common, so x minus 44 will be left. From these two terms, 33 will be common, so x minus 44 will be left. Therefore, x minus 44 in one bracket and x plus 33 equal to 0 in another bracket. So, x minus 44 equal to 0, one of the answer, and x plus 33 equal to 0. So, the value of x, this minus will become plus 44 this side, and one more value of x that we have is x equal to minus 33. So dear student, two values we are gaining of this quadratic equation. They are 44 and minus 33. Now dear student, we have assumed x as the speed of the express train. So is it possible the speed of a train could be negative? No. Speed of a train can't be negative. So this is not possible. So these two values we got. So dear students, speed of a train can't be negative. Speed of a train can't be negative. That's why the value of x equal to 44. This is not possible. For that you can mention here not possible. For this here only you can mention not possible. Okay, for this value. So x equal to 44. That's why we need to mention here, therefore, the speed of an express train is 44 along with the unit kilometer per hour. Okay. Now, what will be the speed of the passenger train? We have considered here speed of the passenger train, that was x minus 11, because it is slower than this, x minus 11 kilometer per hour. So dear student, it will be 44 minus 11, that is 33 kilometer per hour. So we can say that speed of an express train will be 44 kilometer per hour. This is the solution. And speed of the passenger train, it will be 33 kilometer per hour. This is the complete solution of question number 10. So my dear student, question number 11 is on your screen. Sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meters square. If the difference of their parameters is 24 meters, find the sides of the two squares. Okay, very easy question, dear student. Now, first question to you, that what is the area of a square? If I ask you, I have this much of square with the side x. So if the another side is also x, all the way this side is also x, this side is also x, and one more square if I have with me, then if the side of this is y, all the sides will be equal, that is y. So in the first case, if I ask area of a first square, then area of a square we know, side square you know, right? Side square, so it will be side into side, that is x into x. Is it x square? That is for the first square. Now, if I ask that if I have area of a square for the second square with the y side, so it will be y into y, that is y square. Here student, in the first line we are given that sum of the areas. Area means first square area is x square and the area of the another square is y square. So sum of the area, this is the area. X square is the area of a first square, y square is the area of a second square, and sum of these squares area is given 468. So this is, we can say, that is our equation number 1. Let it be as it is. Keep it safely. This is equation 1. Now in the second line we are given the difference of their parameter. Now simply if I ask what is the parameter of the first square, this is our first square. I am mentioning this is first square, this is second square. What is the parameter of the first square? So it will be, let's note down, parameter of first square. Here one number I am giving for a better understanding. So we know that parameter, it means sum of all four sides. So it will be 4 into sides. So it will be 4 into x. Agree? It will be x plus x plus x plus x. If not, then 4 into side. The length of a side is x. So the parameter is 4x for the first square. Let's move with the second square. So if I ask to find the parameter of the second square, parameter of a second square, then what it will be? It will be 4 into y, as similar as this. This is also the sum of all four sides. Okay. They have given us the difference of their, difference of this is 24. So we will have 4x minus 4y, that will be equal to 24. 4x minus 4y equal to 24. So I can say this can be the equation number 2. Fine. Now let's simplify both of this equation and let's try to find the value of each and every side of the each and every square. Okay. Here you can see, dear student, area of a first square. You can mention this is first square, and here you can say area of a second square. Okay. So for better understanding, and one thing is clear, the area of the first square is bigger than the second square. So you can mention this also here, that is x greater than 1. For a better understanding, the side of the first square is bigger than the side of the second square. Let's simplify further. So we had this equation 4x minus 4y equal to 24. Now let me divide this by 4, or if not, then take out 4 as a common. So it will be x minus y equal to 6. If you simplify, then it will be 6. Okay. So the value is x minus y equal to 6. Now can I make a subject to x here? So x will be, of course, it will be 6 plus y. This is very important result. Now this result I am going to use in this equation number 1. X square plus y square was 468. This was our equation. In place of x here, in place of x here, I am going to substitute this value 6 plus y whole square. Plus y square is already there. Nothing I did. Because of two equation we are gaining here. So let's make a subject to any one. Means here x I am making a subject and substituting the value here in place of another equation in place of x. So dear student, here I need to apply the first identity. You know very well, 6 plus y whole square wala identity. A square plus 2ab plus b square and plus this y square is already there. So let it be as it is and equal to 468 as. Okay. If not, then I can bring this 468 to this side. So it will become minus equal to 0. So dear student, The value of x is here a is 6, 6. Value of b is y. This is also 1. So the simplification will be 6 square is 36 plus 2 6 ja 12y plus y into y, that is y square, and this is also y square. 2 times y square. This is along according to this equation, it is y square, and this y square I am mentioning here minus 468 equal to 0. So my dear student, you can see y square plus y square. What is the addition of y square plus y square? 2y square plus 12y is there. What about this subtraction, this from this? If I subtract 436 from 468, then what it will be? The simplification of this is 200. If I subtract, then here 6 minus 8 minus 6 is 2. Then here it is 3. 432 I am giving minus 432 equal to 3. This is a real form of the equation, but again you can see we can take out 2 as a common factor. So this is the equation which we are gaining after simplification. Let's divide this equation by 2. So we will have here y square plus 6y minus 260 equal to 0. So we must have the factors of this y square plus 6y minus 216 equal to 0. This is our quadratic equation. Now let's have the factors of 216. Such a factor so that we should have plus 6. So it is easy. We know 18 into 12. 18 12 ja 216. 18 plus 12 minus. So here it is plus, this is minus. So next step I need to mention y square plus 18y minus 12y minus 216 equal to 0. So in that, let me take out y common from first two terms. So I will have here y plus 18. If I take out 12 common from this, then I will have here y, and because of this minus sign, this sign will be changed, this minus will be plus. 18 into 12 is already 216. These two factors we are taking equal to 0. So in a one bracket y plus 18, another bracket is y minus 12 equal to 0. Therefore, my dear student, we can say that y plus 18 equal to 0. Therefore, y equal to minus 18. Okay. What about this side? It gives the result y minus 12 equal to 0. Therefore, y equal to plus 12. So, which value we need to consider? Of course, y is the length of a side, secant square. Y is the length of a side. It can't be negative, Side cannot be negative. So, we will go with y equal to 12. As we know, dear student, the side of a square can't be negative. Side of a square can't be negative. For that, this is not possible. For this, y equal to minus 18, not possible. Right? Therefore, so we will go with y equal to 12. If the value of y 12, the length of one of the side is 12, so another equation which we were gaining was this x equal to y plus 6. So in that 12 plus 6, so the 18. So the length of the first square will be 18. So we need to write, therefore, the sides of two squares, okay? Sides of 12 are, what is the length of first side? X, that is 18. We need to mention that is 18 meters. and another is y. Y is 12. So another side will be length of the another square side of the square will be 12. So this is the complete solution of question number 11. The answer is 18 meter and 12 meter. So here with very nice explanation, I try my best to explain you. So exercise 4.3 complete here.